Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is MTB Rider. Today I gonna show you how to repair mechanical disc brakes. This is my front disc brake of my bicycle, and this is my bicycle's rear disc brake. Sometimes it produces this type of sound. So let's start the video. As you can see, this is my bicycle, and when I rotate the wheel and press the brake fully, then it will stop. It is not safer to ride on road with this brakes. You can also see the distance between the handlebar and the brake lever. Now what I gonna do is I am taking a mug, a shampoo and a cloth. First pour the shampoo in the mug and take some water and mix it properly. And then dip the cloth inside the soapy solution. Now clean the both discs with soapy solution. When you are cleaning the disc, be careful because discs are very sharp. It can cut your hand and you will injure it. After cleaning the both discs properly, then take clean water and wash the disc. After washing, take a cloth and wipe the disc. After the whole process, take a hexagon key and unscrew the bolt of the caliper. And stretch the cable of the caliper and again tighten the bolt of the caliper. After done this, you can rotate the knob of the caliper for adjust the cable. After the whole process, now you see the distance between the handlebar and the brake lever. Now rotate the wheel and press the brake. Again rotate the wheel and brake. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times. Also repeat this process with front brake and you will notice your brake now better than before. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do like it and subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for latest update.